Look, see night. Look, see night when I came to yours. Put a hand in my food.
Did you find anything?
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, go.
Oh, you've lost them? I just videoed you for like the last 10 minutes.
Oh, see, now you like that, yeah.
Stop it, I keep taking pictures of my legs because we keep touching my legs.
Well, I'm not supposed to shave the leg.
I know, check this. Look at the wee jungle down there.
Me?
No, yeah, I was talking about, coming in. Yeah. Yeah.
I haven't done sea life.
Come on, scare her. I think you done the trick. Hiccups are away. Yes. Oh, did you? Well, you fixed my camera.
What the hell did you talk to, man?
Who are you talking to?
What am I asking? Like, look, you're annoying, so you're clean.
Taking pictures of everyone.
She didn't even hiccups.
Yeah, I'm not... I want to get that what am I talking to? Who does she think she is? She said, I'm annoying, so it's my team. What? Who are you?
Who are you?
Smash.
Maybe she lives in Japan.
What?
Mate.
You are all...
She got big boobs, but that's what I sound like. But look,
That's why she doesn't know you. Maybe she's racing.
Where's your Nathan Chief?
Did you...
oh, what are you trying to do?
Oh, you're in the way of my porno here.